Well, hello everyone. Welcome back for another fun video. Today I'm going to talk about the DJI Mini 3 Pro that I recently bought before my trip to the Europe. I was flying the drone in Nice, France to take some cool shots and videos. The drone does fly smoothly, does not make sound and has a good battery life. There is an I love Nice sign and I thought of taking a video while circling around it. So I took the drone near the sign and put the drone in point of interest mode while I completely forgot that the obstacle avoidance would be turned off. That can happen if you fly multiple drones. I fly Skydio 2 more often. See what happened. The drone crashed to the adjacent building. Fortunately, I was able to recover the broken drone. I'm not a big fan of DJIs. I have lost DJI Mini 2, lost DJI Mini 3 Pro when its obstacle avoidance was on, and now I crashed one. So my question is, drone that does not have a good obstacle avoidance in different modes, is it really worth $1,000? There are many other drones available in around same price that have much better obstacle avoidance with equally good video quality. For example, watch this video of a Skydio 2 which passes through the thick trees without any problem. So let me know what you guys think about this in comment section. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.